Module 8C, Microphone Accessories and Microphone Cables. One somewhat esoteric accessory is a microphone modeler. Although this can be a piece of hardware, it's very often a software plug-in whose purpose is to simulate the qualities of high-priced professional microphones. Experience has shown that this can produce some good results. In my opinion, spend the money instead on a high-quality microphone. The pickup of AC hum is always a problem when dealing with low-level signals like microphone levels, and there's a lot of stray magnetic fields around, especially at 60 cycles or 60 Hertz. You see, the voice coil of dynamic microphones act as an antenna which can receive this stray magnetic field and introduce 60 cycle hum into your system along with the sound. Some of the considerations to eliminate this hum is to be sure to always use balanced microphone cables. We'll see what that is here in a minute. In extremely noisy environments, quad microphone cables can reduce the amount of hum that's introduced into the system. If you are using dynamic microphones, be sure to use microphones with humbucking coils. A very common microphone accessory would include windscreens, pop filters, shock mounts, cables of course, connectors, and microphone stands and microphone mounts. Here are some picture examples of windscreens and pop filters. Both windscreens and pop filters reduce the effects of blowing sounds. Windscreens are generally external, while pop filters can be part of the microphone. However, externally mounted pop filters are very common as well. Both of these devices have a very slight effect on high frequencies. Under the right conditions, you may want to do away with windscreens and pop filters. Shock mounts are designed to reduce the amount of mechanical vibration that causes interference with the sound, either through handling noise or through vibrations transmitted up to the microphone through the mic stand. Let's take a look at microphone cables. When buying or acquiring microphone cables, always buy balanced microphone cables. This will help reduce the amount of noise that's picked up in the cable. A balanced microphone cable contains at least 3 conductors, 3 wires. 2 of the wires carry the audio signal. One is designated hot or positive, and the other is designated return or negative. The third conductor inside of the cable is a metallic shield, sometimes braided copper, sometimes metallized mylar. The outside wrapping of the cable is usually polyvinyl chloride or polyvinyl ethylene jacket. Every electric circuit has to have at least 2 wires, and a microphone cable is no different. As the audio signal goes positive in one of the conductors, current will flow in one direction. At the same time, in the other conductor, the audio signal is going negative, and current is flowing in the opposite direction. As the audio signal reverses itself and goes negative, the current reverses itself and flows in the opposite direction. Just as a roof protects a house from rain, the third wire in the balanced cable protects the signal leads from being exposed to electromagnetic radiation that would induce noise into the microphone circuit. Quad microphone cables reduce the noise even further. Quad microphone cables are essentially 2 microphone cables within the same jacket. These 2 cables are connected together such that the phasing relationship causes external noise to be canceled inside the cable. One of the most important considerations with microphone cables: learn how to wind them correctly. Nobody wants to have to deal with a rat's nest of tangled cables. Very unprofessional. Finally, let's take a look at the microphone connectors, both on the ends of the microphone and on the cables that connect to the microphones. The most common and most professional connector is called an XLR connector, which has 3 connections to connect with each wire inside of a 3-wire balanced microphone cable. Warning. It is crucial that the pin numbers on one end of a microphone cable are wired to the same pin numbers on the other end of the microphone cable. If not, phase distortion or phase cancellation will occur. This concludes Module 8, Special Purpose Microphones, Accessories, and Cables. But before continuing, can you name and describe at least 5 methods of reducing noise in a microphone circuit.